stream, as you can see everyone on the screen. This is what Brother Rumi was quoting. Inni ma'ar rasool ujibu ukhti wa usib. Nauzu billahi min zalik. God of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani is conversing with Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani by saying, indeed, I am with the messenger. I answer. I make mistake. I am correct. And you can go and check. This is the interpretation they themselves has given. इस वही इलाही के ज़ाखिरी अल्फाज ये मानी रखते हैं कि मैं खता भी करूंगा और सवाब भी. It says the apparent words of this revelation mean that I will be mistaken as well as be right. That is, I will sometime do what I want and sometime not. And sometime my will be implemented and sometime not. Allahu Akbar. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the one. Fa'alul lima yurid. This is the Allah of the Quran. Fa'alul lima yurid. Allah does whatever He intends. And the God of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is who? That what I intend, sometime my intent will be fulfilled, sometime not, in front of you. And you know what? Now come the problem. When you present this to the murabbis, they will do the ta'wil. Ta'wil mean, no, don't take the apparent meaning. It has deep spiritual meanings. Hang on a second. When you are criticizing the Sufiya, we have no sympathy with anyone who said anything against Allah's book or the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ. We have no sympathy for such person. But I am telling you the behavior of the murabbis. When it comes to other Muslims who have a lot of respect for many spiritual personality, and the same personalities have said things which are very problematic, which you cannot accept, and guess what? Then the Muslim ulama and the common Muslim as well, no, you know what? This thing does not mean what it says apparently. You have to give it a different meaning, a spiritual meaning, right? When other people are doing that, they would no, you can't do this. For example, I give you the classical example. When they have to, criticize, oh, look, this Sufi said Kishti Rasulullah, and this Sufi said this. Hang on a second. In your religion, if something, oh people, you tell me which one is worse. If someone says Kishti Rasulullah, it's a clearly kufri statement. We have no sympathy for that. Black and white, right? But the problem is, when the other people are making these statements and the people are trying to do the ta'wil. Ta'wil means they would say, oh, it does not mean this, it actually means that. They don't accept it. When it comes to Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani, even the bigger kufr and shirk, this is kufr about Allah. He's saying that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will do the mistake and sometimes He will be correct. And what they do? They do the same ta'wil. They say, no, it does not mean what it appears to mean. It means like a spiritual side. Use the same scale. If you want to give excuse to Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani for the kufri statement, what about the others? I'm holding you accountable on your standard. And this is the problem. They will never ever tell their position. For example, if they have the courage, oh Murabbis, get together in one room. Ahmadi Murabbis, get together in one room. Consult with each other and then tell us, what's your position? If there's a kufri statement, is it permissible to do the ta'wil to save the person who said that statement? What's your position? You know what? Oh people, you understand my point. If they will say yes, it is permissible to do the ta'wil, i.e. to give it another meaning, then they cannot put finger on any of the statements of other people. And if they would say no, you cannot make a ta'wil, you cannot give another meaning, you have to take it as it says in the text, then guess what? The Ghulam Qadiani was a kafir. Which one is it? And guess what? Qiyamah can come. Ahmadiyya cannot tell their position. Inshallah. I am waiting. Tell us your, and then I will teach you. Bismillah ta'ala, I will teach you what was Mirza Ghulam Qadiani's position. Inshallah. Yes, brother.